Okay guys, we're back and we got the ring in. The retaining ring is in. We used the apparatus that we had made and we maneuvered it in with 2 screwdrivers. Get one side started, put the screwdriver, hold it down, stretch it out, push it down, move the screwdriver up, press it down. Probably took about 2 minutes maybe, first time I ever did it. But yeah, we got her in, and that's a proud moment for me. And I want to say that, you know, you guys that want to do this, this is probably the biggest pain in the ass ever. Let me show you. Let me show you right here. Right where that screwdriver tip is, that is where you want, that is where you want your retaining ring to go against. Right there. That inner shaft that's sticking up the tallest amount with the spring pushed down, that is where your spring is going. Let me push this other rod here so I can show you better. Right there. See that? Right there. Right there is your retaining ring. To the right of this. It goes under that, in that lip in the groove. Right there. So, long story short, low, reverse, piston, tapped in, 9/16 down, cage with your springs compressed below the 9/16 mark, put spring on shaft, and I just hooked the spring right here on the side of it. Push the spring, it's got a slot. After you get everything in place, wired up, go right there, drop it down, take your screwdrivers, get it on in there, and you'll be good to go. So if you want to do this, remember, this is a pain in the ass. I've been working on this 2 days, trying to figure out an apparatus to get that pressed down and how to do it, and looking on the internet trying to get this done. Finally got it, and it's a 3-minute video on how I did it, and I hope this helps somebody. Comment below if you've never done it, or if you intend to do it and know it's going to be a pain in the ass. If you know this is the biggest pain in the ass in the whole transmission rebuild, is getting that on right there. The rest of it should be a lot easier because it's not deep in the case. And I got the Bonbo press ordered off of Amazon to do the input drum, so that's going to help a lot. And those are the Bonbo arms, and I rigged it onto that bolt right there, and I got a turnbuckle with a plate and a nut below the table holding everything in place. You can't flip that transmission off the table because it's on there. Anyway, hope this helps somebody. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Peace.